Today I'm going to talk a little bit about calculator basics. It is an assignment where we're going to learn how to make a Excel spreadsheet where we're going to use the calculator functions. You can see here that the way to use the calculator function is every formula that we have starts with the equal sign. After the equal sign, we're going to click on the cell, which is this little box right here, where the first number is that we want to add. Once you see that, see it's outlined, A4, type the plus sign, click on the second box, and after both of those are highlighted like so, I hit enter on the keyboard, and both of them get added. It works the same way for subtraction. Make sure that you have this cell highlighted where you want the answer to go. Click on the first box, type the minus sign, subtract that second box, and hit enter. Multiplication is the same. Equal sign, click on the first box. The star is multiplication. That can be found by hitting Shift and the number 8 or by using the calculator keys on the right side of your keyboard. Then click the second one, hit enter. And last but not least, division, equal sign. First one, divide. Second number, enter. That is how those work.